How to unlink Facebook from Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Complete Tutorials. In this video you will learn how to unlink Facebook from Instagram. To unlink Facebook from Instagram, follow these steps. Open the Instagram app and log into your account. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the three dot menu button at the top right corner. From the drop down, select Setting. Once you are in Setting, tap on Account Center. In the Account Center, tap on Accounts. Here you will find your connected Facebook accounts. Simply tap and remove next to your Facebook account. Tap on Remove Account and then tap on Continue. Finally, tap on Remove to confirm. That's all. Don't forget to give a thumb up, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Your comments and input means a word for me, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts in comments below. I truly appreciate your engagement.